Welcome to the videos online for the PowerPoint presentations. This time we are going to talk about animation. Animation is the movement of text and objects on your computer, on your presentation. Anytime, anywhere you have an object or you have a text, the way that text come into the presentation is what we refer to as animation. If you don't select any text or any object, this animation will fade out all. You will not see anything that is active. So you have to click a text or select an object before this animation can be active. So just to start, if I click inside, you don't need to highlight, you click inside the box which is holding the text, and then you can choose any of the animation styles. So I am going to click on fly in. Let's watch what is happening. So it's going to fly in the object like this. It's going to fly from the bottom. If you look at to the right side, okay, you are going to see effect options here. So if I click on this effect option, you will see fly from all different directions. So I am going to click from left, so it's going to fly from the left. Okay, so the same thing goes to the object. The same thing goes to the object. I am going to select the object and click on, click on this other one, because this is number 1 and this is number 2, this is number 3. I'm going to click on fly in again. Now this time I am going to allow it to fly from the top or from the right. So go to effect option, sorry, click from, let's say from the right. Watch what is happening. So it's going to fly from the right. So I will select my object, which is the third option here. I click on fly in. It's going to fly from the bottom, which is also fine. So I'm going to leave it like that and then go to the next slide, which is this content. I am going to click here and then click on fly in. I will leave it to fly in. This one, I'll click at this place. You don't need to highlight. Click on fly in. Of course, with this one, I am going to select where it is going to come from. I will click on this and say select from the right, so that it will just be flying from the right. So these are very simple animations you can apply that will look like if you are running a small movie. So I'm going to click this, number 3. I want you to follow these instructions and you will do it like this all over for the animation. Click on fly in and then it flies in, of course. Click on this second frame which holds on the data. Click on fly in again. Of course, I will leave it to this. Now click on my picture. I'll click on fly in. Of course, there are other ones that you can choose from. If I want to choose, sorry, I will select this and then I will see if I go to more entrance, because this is the entrance part. Okay, I'll click on more entrance. Then you will see this. Okay, if you want to see different types of settings, they are all here. If I want to click on spiral, click on this. Watch the way it has spiraled the picture. So I'll click on OK. I'll click on OK and then apply it. So you will see that all these things have been done, and I want you to continue to apply these things across all of them. How do we know that this slide has, or this text have an animation? The moment you click on the slide, you will see numbers attached to each of the text boxes that are available. Okay, so I want you to choose that, and then once you select that, the moment you select any one of the slides that have animations, this is the way they will be coming in the sequence. Number 1 will come first, second, third, fourth, fifth, like that, up to the last one. Okay, so this is where I'm going to end the animation lesson. I want you to continue applying the animations for all the slides, and once you are done with it, I want you to click on the animation, the slideshow at the right corner here, and then see how your animation and transition will work together. Now this is the transition, it has passed. I'm going to press the arrow key or click on the mouse. The moment you will click in the mouse button one at a time, the animations will be coming one by one. They will not all come together. So in essence, you can talk about the introduction when you finish, go to my childhood days, finish, talk about my family background, so your audience will not see what is coming after unless you click on the button. So if I click this, you see the animation, the transition will come, and then you can follow suit with the other ones like that. Okay, so the moment you keep clicking, watch, it is completely running a very nice animation settings for you. So I'm going to stop here. To stop this animation slideshow, you right click and go to end show, and then if you want to continue, you can always continue, because these ones don't have slideshow. So I want you to continue to apply the animations on all your slides, and then you save the slide again. So I'll click here, save, and then end the lesson here for today.